Assalamu alaikum. A very warm welcome to the platform of 101 Incredible Women of Pakistan. I'm really very excited today because my today's guest is a very dynamic person. She is the CEO of Synergy Inc. Not only that, she's working on conservation of environment. And when I've asked her off the camera that why specifically, because there's so many other fields to work on, and why particularly you have had been working about conserving environment, which is the biggest issue these days. हम अपनी अगली जनरेशन के लिए अगर कुछ अच्छा कर सकते हैं तो environment को अच्छा करना है. लॉन्ग टर्म जो है एस्पेक्ट है वो तो environment ही है जिसमें बच्चे ने ऑफ कोर्स सर्वाइव करना है. उन्होंने मुझे एक ऐसी बात की कि I mean it held my breath and I couldn't even think beyond whatever we were talking about, and I was only stuck at that moment. She said because I needed oxygen, and oxygen was very much required for me. It is very much required for everybody on planet Earth. If you are not having ample oxygen available in the environment, you won't be able to live, breathe and enjoy anything whatever is available on planet Earth. So let's go and meet dynamic Ambreen Sipra. By the way, we have been trying to get hold of her since a year. Let me mention here this as well. Assalamu alaikum, Ambreen.
Walaikum salam. How are you?
I'm perfectly fine, and I was desperately looking forward to meet you and talk to you. And of course, I was knowing you since a year because of the achievements, because of the extraordinary work you have had been doing. But meeting you in person has opened another chapter for me, and I would love, I will be reading this chapter like we were discussing before, and we will be talking about every inch whatever we have talked off camera, because I want people to know how different and how energetic and how passionate human you are. So let's start with the point that when I asked you, why specifically you have chosen environment, and let's start with that.
Okay, thank you so very much. Yes, it's been a year's time that you've been after me, and I've been trying to come. Synergy is like a company that we started 22 years back.
Right.
And we've done different projects, but the last project we were doing was we developed a replica of Changi's minaret at Shadra for Parks and Horticulture, Pakistan. So that was also a different thing. Like, it was conservation of architecture and developing the entire thing. While we were doing this, I've also been into landscape and beautification for years. So when I was diagnosed cancer a couple of years back, and like 3 years that I was in hospital in 2019 to 2021.
By the way, I never realized that you are struggling with cancer. The way she told me, actually, I am having cancer as well, and I was looking at her again, and I go, well, because my biggest fear is cancer. And then she narrated a very beautiful thing which I would love to put on air as well. She said, cancer से डरना नहीं है, उससे लड़ना है, और अल्लाह ना करे किसी को भी family में cancer हो, because it's very common these days. You have to say, no worries, I'll beat you. Sorry,
yeah, that's much line for how we treat people on cancer awareness. Cancer is something which is in everybody's body. It can just erupt any time because of 3 factors: stress, or your body transfusions, like whatever that you have within the body, breakage. But cancer is something where our tagline is that we can beat it. We have to beat cancer. We don't have to get scared of it. Of course, when one gets to hear about cancer, it's quite a depression for the entire family and stuff. Yeah. I've been through it. And that's how the courage came into me. This is something that I have to live with. So one post of mine, you will see I'm in the hospital getting a treatment or transfusion or injection. The other is like I'm again in the field. Because why waste time when God has gifted you something which is life? You never know kal kya hota hai. So my story is that you have to be bold and you have to live every moment that you get. Now,
Ambreen, उसमें मुझे ये भी लगता है, since I've been watching you on social media as well, that you have a very good chemistry with your husband. I've noticed that while just having a look at your photograph. Whenever, wherever you are, whatever you are doing, he's always standing with you.
Standing
and there's some
me.
very, beautiful memories of yours I've seen. So I think he's your basic support as well.
Yes, Basit is my basic support, because when I connected with him, the only thing that I asked him was, he was a banker. I told him that you have to leave your profession, because I need to stand up again from whatever bad hardships that I've seen in life, or gone through a bad marriage or whatever. And he stood behind me.
This is
the second marriage, yes.
Right.
First was like a kind of disaster.
Right.
And at that time, I was a big, looming businesswoman, because I had 3 cities and 3 industries to run around. But then these are things that happen in life.
Right.
But I used to call myself Tom and Jerry, that you have to fall down and you have to get up again. So yes, you notice it very well. He's the man behind me. He's the one who stands behind me as a support. Is this what you want to do? Do it. And then he just supports me in every move that I make, that you can do it. And that's a big support. So when I was struggling with my lungs issue and overall the cancer that I have, they used to put oxygen and they used to tell me कि ये है. So I realized when we go out, they used to say कि जी pollution खराब है, बाहर आपने मास्क के बगैर नहीं जाना, ये है फलानी चीज़ ऐसी है, ये है. So I realized कि if I am having issues because of medical reasons, what about people who go out and say कि जी आज तो बाहर इतनी ज़्यादा हवा में ये है फलाना. So we worked on it and we found a technique which is called Miyawaki urban foresting.
Right.
It's a Japanese technique in which you plant trees, shrubs and small plants to the fact that when they grow up, they generate tons of oxygen. So the environment around that area till kilometers and till far away gives breathing space to people.
Oh, amazing. It's a natural purification
system.
System.
Yes. So now how to do it? Obviously, there's going to be money spent on it. So I started.
A lot of land is required.
So then I approached the government of Pakistan and they gave us a park in Gujranwala.
Right.
Which is a dense park. And then I went around and looked for a sponsor and I got Total Parco to be coming into a carbon emissions because their task was that they'll be working on carbon emissions.
Right.
So I said, we're ready to do it. And this is a 2-canal startup in 2021. And today, when you go to that park, the small trees and plants that we planted, they've grown up and people around are enjoying the walk and breathing and they're like comfortably okay with it. It's within the park.
Right.
So that's how we got the encouragement. And then we did it in Chandbagh School, a 5-canal there. Now we've done in Punjab University, Government College University Mall Road, which is like the students there, people there, and आपके जो noise pollution चीजें हैं वो भी उससे control होती हैं. So when you work on carbon emissions, it is like you're creating better environment. So it's just
absolutely.
I think it's just all this power comes from Allah. He's the one who guides you. Okay, this is what I want you to do, and then He makes space for people to come forward and support you.
It was a very simple, beautiful, natural idea that you have just given water to, and I will definitely applaud the efforts of government as well as
because if they don't give us land and the institutes don't give us land,
right?
How could we do it? It's not possible.
Obviously, जो आपके दिमाग में था आप उसकी implementation में चले गए और आपने actually कर दिखाया because everybody again Allah की तरफ से everybody was giving you
probably He wants to leave good messages. And when in 2017 I fell down with a brain clot and I was hospitalized for 3 years, I was working from the hospital as well, where I was like talking to nurses and people used to come to me. So when I got out of it, we created a drop in the ocean. What was it? That we gathered people who had gone through cancer,
right,
or were surviving or fighting, and we got a group of doctors who would come and explain them. This is how you do it, and this is how you get treatment. And then we connected people to different organizations and stuff, people who couldn't get treatments, who couldn't afford it. So I think it's all God-gifted. Drop in the Ocean was a big success.
I had met your daughter once, and she was always full of praises for you. And at that time, I mean, since we are talking now, and I can very well relate to वो हर बात कहने में कहती आप मेरी अम्मी से नहीं मिली. She is a gem of a woman. You haven't seen my mom. And now the way you are talking to me and you're telling me the very minute details of what happened, even when you got that that brain hemorrhage or the clot in your brain, even then you were thinking about some different things to, I mean, make that particular time useful for the society as well. So now I can very well relate. Why Seher was always like, you haven't met my mom. Aapne meri ammi nahi dekhi. Now I can
tell you why.
I got an idea.
You see, when I got married at a young age, it didn't work out. But when you get children, it's like society bounds you that you need to continue. Mm-hmm. And I lost my parents at quite a young age, so there was no backup where I could just leave them and go, although I was financially independent. But the girls, what they saw was my struggle of work and experience. And that time I had launched Procter & Gamble के साथ एक project launch किया था with different schools to be knowing about sanitary napkins. She probably noticed it. And they kept on seeing my struggle of work and, the cavalry horses and Islamabad CDA development and then Lahore airport. So they were like part and parcel of it. So they saw it. When the entire thing broke down, they were taken away. They kept the children with them. Oh. So like a couple of years they were with them. So the struggle.
And I believe that the other party they always do so. Sash your children just to make you weak or
but I didn't
Right.
Because the grandparents were excellent, they were
Right.
like lovely to the children, and I thought they were best secure with the father and the grandparents rather than being with me,
Right.
unless I was secure. So they, they were like taught well by the grandparents, and the father also kept them well. So when the time came when I was in a stable position,
Right.
remarried, and was in a position to actually greet them, so they were looked at the struggle again of the downfall and rising again. That's from where they picked up things that they need to be independent also. So both the girls are now. Seher is running her own company called Little Artist, and Anam is doing filmmaking and production.
wow,
She
very
works for a
interesting.
company in Malaysia,
Right.
and they both married and happily into what they're doing. And I keep telling them, I'm not the kind of mother who would appreciate you making rotis in the kitchen. I would appreciate that you become independent so that you raise your kids
I
well.
mean, she was always, I mean, she was talking about her work very passionately, and she was saying कि मैं चाहती हूँ उसको मैं ऐसे extend करूँ, वैसे करूँ, and she
And
had
she's doing it.
big dreams at the time when we met long before.
Yeah.
I mean, it's lovely talking to you. I
Same
wish
here.
I could talk even at length, and I could talk for hours with you because you're such an inspirational woman. Thank you so much, Ambreen. You're
Madhya,
a
it's been
true,
a pleasure.
you're a true symbol of women empowerment. Thank
Well,
you so much.
I just hope, one thing that I'd like to say, we've also created a project for women empowerment,
Right.
and we call it Empower Both because we can't leave men behind.
Right.
It is these carts that you see on the road, we call
Yes,
radies.
yes.
We've designed them in the shape of smart cards. Like the smart cards, again, government is involved into it, giving us
Right.
approval.
Right.
We finance it through corporate sector or donors,
Right.
and we give people a place कि यहाँ पे आपकी रेडी उठाई नहीं जाएगी. You can do business, and there are a lot of female who've come forward and say कि we want to set up our businesses. So I believe life is a test, and in this test is the only successful thing is what you deliver, and deliverance it comes through God, and if you're doing it for people, you're blessed.
Thank you so much.